Hey everybody, hope everybody had a good summer of exploring, but winter's coming around, so I figured I would make a follow-up video on the diesel heater silencing, quieting down at least. So what I did, well, first off, if you haven't seen the first video, there'll be a link in the upper right corner or down in the description, but I put a quieter fuel pump in it last year, and I found a different muffler that's a lot quieter. So what I'm going to try this time is I bought some sound deadening material that you would use in your car, and I'm going to put it inside of the case and around the fuel pump on this. So let me get this camera mounted and see what we can do. Okay, right now it's running on power level 1. Let's see if we crank it all the way up. That's power level 10. 10? Yeah, 12. 10. That's power level 10. And it's not too bad. You can hear the pump a little bit, but it's nowhere like what it used to be. So let me get it shut down and we'll start this disassembly. Okay, so now that it has shut off, we can commence to opening it up. So where did everybody go this summer? That was cool. I didn't get to do a lot of exploring because my old Jeep was giving me issues, and I just bought this 2001 blue one and trying to get everything moved over to the new one. It's been quite the chore, but I'm pretty happy with it. I got it off a friend of mine that's wanting to upgrade to an LJ or a JKU, so I said sure, I'll buy it. It's still got the 4-liter in it like my other one. The only difference is it has 410 gears in it, where mine was 373. But it runs great. Alrighty, there we go. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the whole inside of this with the sound deadening material, except for maybe this window here, because that's the sight gauge for the fuel tank. And I'll see if I can wrap some around the fuel pump too, see if that helps. Maybe we'll try the fuel pump first. This stuff is about a 1/4 inch thick, and it's stick-on, and it has a foil liner on it. Let me cut some of this and I'll be back. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to wrap this in some of the sound deadening material in 1-inch strips, I guess. Well, let's see what that does. So that's with wrapping the pump. Made a tiny difference, but not much. So let me get it shut down again and we'll do the case. Okay, so while this thing is still shutting down, I guess we don't have to wait on it. We'll move you guys over here and let's see what we can do here. So, let's see. I'm not too worried about covering this slot because I don't use it. It's for reaching in and being able to get to the clamps on the hoses. Yeah. So, I'm gonna cut this off. Like that. This one will go there. Okay. So how do y'all use your diesel heaters? Do you use them for tents or going into campers or trailers or what? And where's everybody from out there? And where do you enjoy doing your camping at? I like being in the forest, but sometimes we do a little desert camping. In the winter, anyway. When the forest gets too cold. Most people think New Mexico is just a desert, but we're not. We got a little bit of everything here. Up north, we got a little bit of higher alpine stuff like Colorado has. Down south, we got desert and everything in between. Okay, that's how we did that. So let's put it on and see what it does. We'll be back. Okay, it's running again. It helped a little bit. I don't know if it was that substantial of a change, but I guess every little bit counts. That's running on high, and the microphone's about 3 foot away from the machine. And let's take it down to low. Yeah, that's not too bad. Can't hardly even hear it running. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure and watch the other one too. You see where we started at. And yeah. Check out some of the other videos and give it a like, please. Appreciate you watching. Thanks. Bye.